Here's another one you might see on the SAT. Okay, so we have this equation on here, trying to figure out what a solution to the given equation is, because there's technically two solutions. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a STEM math and science teacher for over 20 years, and I'm here to make math and science engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. If you have any questions, any tutoring needs, anything like that, click the link and do the stuff. A solution to this given equation is B30. You could square root the whole thing on both sides. You would get x over 5 equals 6. Okay. Or what you could also do is, if you start out with the x squared over 25 equals 36, you can multiply both sides by 25, and you get that x squared equals 900. And then the square root of 900 would be plus or minus 30. But remember, you're always choosing the best answer, right? And this says a solution, not the only solution, right? So it is just plus or minus 30, which in this case would mean that it is B. With these problems, they always try to put some on here that trip you up. So if you chose D, D is there if you forget to do the square root. If you just did 25 times 36 and got 900, that's how you would get D. C is if you get the 900, but then instead of square rooting, you would divide by 450. So remember that in all these questions, they always try to put in some solutions that you might get if you make a silly error. The 6, I'm not really oh, you know what? I bet where they got the 6 from is if you just kind of ignored the 25 and just did square root of 36. I bet that's where they got that. That's mathed up.